Hello, future CAs. I am sure you will all become CAs in the future. But are you ready to accept futuristic technology? Sir, what are you saying? I am talking about AI evaluation of CA answer papers. Will ICAI implement this? Sir, it's long way no, sir. Will it actually happen? It is no more future, guys. The future is actually here. Let me show you demo of an actual tool which is now there in the market for evaluating your answer sheet, and this is something we are going to launch for all students very soon. Bill Gates said that he was shocked in his entire life only in two scenarios. Once in 1980s, for the first time when PC was launched, and when he saw the screen, he was completely shocked as to how you can interact with the system. And the second time, he was shocked only when ChatGPT was launched and he saw what AI can do. He said the future is going to be amazing. Sir, what is this AI evaluation? I'm going to only show you demo of this product, and I need all our students' feedback on this. How is this going to work, sir? I'm going to show you the demo, but let me give you a structure first. Step 1, all the students have to upload their handwritten PDF answers into this tool. Step number 2, the AI will convert what you wrote in answers into text. However bad your handwriting is, the AI will be trained to convert it correctly. Step number 3, AI will take about 30 to 40 seconds to start the evaluation by comparing with suggested answers, looking for keywords. Step number 4, AI will give you marks along with feedback as to what you did well and what you did not do well. And step number 5 is there will also be a human validation, because we can't fully trust AIs. Humans will oversee like a review process and save their time. Now, I am going to show you the demo for the next 2 minutes. We already have this tool. I need your feedback, guys. So I need your thoughts and feedback in comments. We have partnered with an amazing startup called Mighty Pen for this. But before you give your feedback, please watch this video. Let me give you a commentary as to what is happening. First, you can see that we have to upload your answer. You can see the student answer is there. You have to upload the answer on this tool. Once it is uploaded, what you have to do next is you can look at this called process all files. This processing will take roughly about 30 or 40 seconds. Once this processing is completed, guys, the AI is now converting your handwritten notes into text. Look at this. Now your answer is converted into text. Look at this. It is coming down. Whatever you wrote, question number 7A, you can see 7A. If I scroll down, what you wrote is converted into digital text, guys. Then now I am telling the AI, okay, step 1, conversion is completed. Now let us do evaluation. Look at this. All the points what you wrote, central government, state government, notification, everything is there. Now I am giving a prompt to AI. Okay, please correct this as per ICAI standards and the key that I have uploaded. I am saying evaluate all files. It again takes another 30 to 40 seconds maximum. I am just fast forwarding over here. Now I have the corrected answer sheet over here, guys. Look at this. This student got 65 out of 100. It is giving overall feedback, strengths, clear identification of what is there, areas for improvement, don't use abbreviations, or example, you have missed on this. It gives proper overall feedback also. Look at this. Yeah. Second student also got 65 over here. Look at the weakness over here. Clarity, he's using abbreviation like central government and state government. This is how the tool is going to work, guys. So evaluation process will become much faster, and in Excel also we can export all the students' answers. Within 5 minutes we can correct hundreds of papers over here, and over here I will do human validation, recheck the papers completely. I know this looks futuristic. I am sure this is going to be real very soon. So I need your thoughts and feedback on this in the comments. If you are excited for this, let me know. I will take more initiative and launch this for all our students very soon, guys. but I need your feedback in comments. Are you ready for this, or you are saying no need sir, let manually people correct it, that is enough for me? Let me know in the comments guys. Thank you so much.